That's a good little hit. Yes. You need the net. The froggy.
The froggy. Cranker. Put down the hook on that back hook too, isn't he?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yes.
Beauty. He's only a little bloke, eh?
You'll do.
I'll take that.
Off the board. Two things to have handy when camping. Little foam file. Some highlighters. For you go over the log and then you wait for that hit. Oh, yeah, I'm on. Ah,
Took a while, didn't it?
yep.
Good fish.
He's playing up a little bit, I don't know.
Playing up. Yeah.
He's alright.
He'd be a 70. Oh, you're close. I won't.
Yeah.
Bring him over a bit more, mate. Just wind your line up.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Yeah, that's him.
Yes, righto. Yeah, he's alright, eh?
He's 75. I reckon. Good fish. He'd be close to 80, I reckon. Where did he hit you over that log?
Bro.
Or out in the open?
No. Just as I was coming over that log, all that shitty stuff. I thought, because I tried to get that one last night.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh fuck, it's risky here going over that shit. And I thought I was going to get snagged there. And I was waiting to get snagged. And then I just felt this little, it wasn't a big hit.
He must have been sitting under it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 78. Yeah, nice. Good fish. I thought he'd be closer to 80. Took a fair bit of effort for that one. Good fish. A couple more of them, we'll be happy.
Yeah. No. 78. On the whacked spinnerbait, 1 ounce, grub tail. Literally ripped straight out the packet half an hour ago. True, you're right.
Like it could be 3.
Yeah.
2 morning.
Yeah.
Just go the last morning.
True. Yeah, I'll figure it out. No. Yeah.
Good fish?
Yeah, he was.
Just check your back stinger hook. Make sure you still got him.
Fuck. Oh, he jumbled it up. Fuck.
Yeah. Good fish. Looked like a good hit.
Yeah, right, that was cracker. Jeez, he done some work on that. That was a cracker.
Good fish.
Bro, he felt good.
He looked good. He looked better than that other one.
Yeah, he did. He felt better.
Yeah.
Middle of the river.
Yeah.
Short. That was a short cast too.
Off that log.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yep.
You going?
Nah. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Ah, come on. What are you doing? Got some patterns on him, but
Yeah.
he's patterned up pretty good. Nice patterns on him.
Really big.
Little cutie.
Jacob just. I don't think Jacob and I are.
I'm on.
Yep.
Oh, he swallowed it too.
Yeah, we'll come out here. Jacob just got a cracker. We got a good cab down the bottom. Yeah. I had an RDO today.
Gobbled it.
Yeah, we'll probably fish like I was. Probably drop one, I reckon, around 70 or 82. But we have been fishing for nearly casting flat out for nearly 3 hours now. But yeah, no, it's up to you. We're downstream. Yeah, we got a camp there, but surely not a third time.
Yes.
Fish, eh?
Third time.
Good fish, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like he's a 60 or something, I reckon. Easy. Good fish, mate. Yeah. See the boil over there, look.
Oh, right. Shit.
Ah, yeah.
No, he's alright.
7 maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, he'd be 7 close.
How good. I filmed that too.
Did you?
Yeah.
I didn't think he could. I thought,
How good.
no chance for a third time. He's a nice fish. Not as big as your 78, but yeah. Be 60 something actually, yeah.
Look at that. The whacked 1 ounce. They're smacking him today.
Yeah. What would he be? 60 something?
Easy.
Yeah.
65.
Yeah. 60. 68. Nice. Had to just keep persevering with it.
Yep.
Right, buddy.
There we go.
Yeah, I should have just put a bait in.
Oh, yep. It feels good, bro.
Good.
Wow, wow.
Cracker.
I think.
Alright.
I think there is.
He's good. I snagged it, has he?
Yeah, I'm on something.
Yeah, okay. I'll go up.
Yeah,
Keep the weight
yeah.
on him. Just in case he's a cracker.
Yeah.
Keep the weight on him. So don't let you slacken at all.
Right.
Just go. Keep him.
Yeah.
Keep him tight. Still there?
Yeah.
He's wrapped up. Okay, then. See if you pull him that way. No. Can't. Set on that fucking just put a little bit of hurt on him. Like,
What do you mean?
Can you just
Like up?
Yeah, just up. Nah, he's a major. Proper. Will he take any line?
Maybe. Yeah, what do? Oh, he's still there.
Still there?
Yeah. Fuck.
Nah, just
Maybe tickle him with that, you reckon? Or
touch your line.
yeah.
Oh no, he's just a big fish, bud. He's just a big fish.
Oh. Oh. All right. Hold on.
Keep
Wait.
Keep the weight on him.
Yeah.
Keep the weight on him. He's done it just. Sorta. Kick him, mate. No.
Hold on.
Bring,
Wait.
bring. Yeah. Oh no, he's wrapping. Hang on. Let's look.
Wait.
Hang on, just get him in the negative now. Righto, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Oh my God. Oh, that's an 80.
That's a 90.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a 90. That's
I don't know. Nah, I think he's 80.
I reckon he's 90. Oh, just how
I'm sure.
he wouldn't swim. So every time I moved the net, he kept pushing him out.
Oh, shit. Oh, what about... Oh, bros. I didn't want to fuck it. I was too scared from that last time. Remember?
What have I been saying?
Yeah.
They've had the pumps off
Yeah.
for weeks. Let's hit that hard.
All right.
Did he close to the 80? He's high 80. Get this fucking net out of the way. My rod's still in the water.
Oh, shit.
I dropped that. Yeah, that's nice. Actually, my shadow.
Yeah.
Hang on. Yeah, shows his mouth and that. Come here. What's he gonna go? He's high 80s.
Yeah, surely, eh? That's got to be PB.
He's 85. He's a big fish for that, but
Oh, no, hold on.
85 and a half.
Ah,
There you go.
bottom lip, look, bottom lip.
Yeah. 85 and a half. Yeah, that's him. Go with that?
Yeah.
Fuck, I thought it is.
I'll just, He's solid.
He's a lot solider than the other 85.
He's gone.
I told you not to watch him
Yeah.
before.
This lure, I tell you what, has done me good this season. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Little or
Definitely not a...
big one?
He's still alright, maybe.
60 odd, isn't it?
Yeah.
Might lip whip him, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's right. Reckons a hold.
Yep. Lucky. You alright? Get ya?
Yeah, just a little bit. Not bad though. He's 60 something. Yeah. Cod dump. Don't know what they call them.
Another one about 5 minutes later.
Beauty. Yeah, maybe 65, 60, 65.
Nearly 68.
Yeah.
He's over the half. Off the back of the snag too, he's got something in his guts.
Moving or?
Yeah. Ooh. How does he miss 3 times? I was just starting to get used to throwing him. Oh, yes! You're joking! Let's get the f out of me. Righto, we're calling it. It's 7:15 and we haven't done well for surfers, so we've had a pretty good day. Can't complain, so we're going in for feed. Yep. Dinner cooking, fire cranking, beer flowing. It's been a good day.
coffee, let's go. You got baby wipes in the boat, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Because that was a bit away from time.
Yeah.
It's going to come on after coffee, I think.
100%. Oof. No, I lost him, I think.
No, you got it, Phil.
He's, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro. Reef him in. Ready?
Oh yeah. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Alright. First one for the morning.
The freaks probably turn on up here.
Yeah.
See what? Oh, yep.
Yes.
Little fella.
Righto.
How's that not turn on up?
Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, yes. Oh, good fish. I think. Oh shit.
He's a lot bigger.
Oh,
Bigger.
bruh. Oh, bro. What the? What the?
Double.
Oh my god.
That's enough.
Nah.
Another 80.
That's 80. What? Oh.
Man. Wow.
Oh.
That was a rush. Holy
Oh.
fuck. And I just ripped mine in. Like, just ripped that little one. Fuck. Oh.
Wow.
Bro. I just said we'll get the full sun and see how it
That
goes.
whole two. Oh, bruh, team one.
He might be 90 nearly. I got that little fella on that. And you got him on the other side. Yeah, he's a good fish, man. He's got to be your PB. Must have been just waiting. Yeah, he's a cracker. He's a cracker. Shit. This be on? Yeah, she's right. What a fish. Hard slog for that. Yeah, nice, man.
On the slick back.
83.
83 and a pube.
Yeah, right. Well, there you go. I thought he was bigger than the 85, eh? Still a big fish. Yeah, nice fish.
Big blue one.
After a real tough weekend. It's been solid. Right.
Oh.
Oh, well, made the weekend.